Hey everyone, welcome back to Gastromania. Today we are going to be presenting a dish that is a distant relative of the ever popular sweet and sour pork, known as orange chicken. It infuses the sweet, refreshing, tangy taste of fresh oranges into a sauce that delicately coats around crispy fried chicken. Definitely one unique dish that you will never forget once you eat it. Without further ado, let's get right into this recipe. First, we have to prepare the chicken. We are using about 450 grams of chicken thigh. This part is the best for frying as it retains moisture the best. This prevents dry chicken pieces later on. Cut them into about 1 by 1 inch pieces. Season it with about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, half teaspoon salt, 1 egg white. We are not using the egg yolk as the fats within the egg yolk will prevent it from being crispy later on. Mix the seasonings evenly. Cling wrap it and set it aside for 2 hours in the fridge. Next, we have 3 fresh oranges, 1 thumb-sized ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 tablespoon light soya sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, and about 120 grams of sweet potato flour. Grate the orange skin for zest. Squeeze the oranges for juice. Grate the ginger and garlic finely. 30 minutes before frying, remove the chicken from the fridge. Let its temperature rise back to room temperature for even frying later on. Coat the chicken in sweet potato flour. Use your hands and press firmly onto the chicken to ensure that the sweet potato flour sticks onto the chicken nicely. And with that, let's get cooking. Add enough oil to cover the chicken pieces. Make sure the oil is hot enough before frying. You can add in a piece of batter. If it floats out after 3 seconds with a lot of bubbles, it's hot enough. Fry the chicken at medium-high heat for about 4 minutes. Split the chicken into 2 batches to prevent uneven cooking as the oil temperature will lower when you add more chicken. Remove the chicken when the color is slightly yellow. Then, add it back into the wok and double fry the chicken at high heat for about 1 minute. Remove the fried chicken when the color becomes golden brown and set it aside to cool down. Next, let's prepare the sauce. Add a little bit of oil. Add the grated ginger and garlics. Fry them until fragrant. Add both sugars and caramelize it. When the color of the sugar looks like this, add the fresh orange juice. Add the light soy sauce. Add the rice vinegar. Prepare some cornstarch solution beforehand to thicken the sauce. Add it slowly in steps while reducing the sauce. Once the sauce has reached the desired consistency, add the fried chicken and mix it evenly. Garnish it with orange zest. Garnish it with some spring onions. And this dish is ready to be served. Ah, the refreshing smell and taste of fresh oranges infused into a sweet, savory dish that goes fantastic with rice. Definitely better than takeout and guaranteed to keep your guests coming back for more bowls of rice. Try it today! And we have come to the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed this recipe, do support us by hitting the like button. Subscribe to our channel to get updated when we upload our weekly recipes. Follow us on our social media to get updated with our latest activities. And I'll catch you in my next video.